Hey everybody, it's January 6, 2014. Last night, in the course of the day before, we got probably 12 additional inches, maybe 14, to probably 8 inches that we'd had before. And it's really cold. It's probably 10 degrees below zero actual temperature, and with a wind chill maybe 20 to 30 below zero wind chill. I just want to show you this. I don't know how much of it you can see. But right there is our picnic table. And our picnic table is probably, I don't know, 2 to 3 feet tall at the top. You can see that. But if you look out across the field around here, it kind of looks like the desert, you know, like sand dunes. But we have an immense amount of snow here. I'm going to go outside and show you a few of the piles that I had to push up here with the backhoe just to clear off the parking lot area and the driveway area. And I went across the way there and cleared out Mildred's driveway there and got her all set up. But check this out. Got big snow piles down there, all the way around here. This pile here is probably at least 8-9 feet tall, maybe. There's the old pheasants. Pheasants! I don't know why they don't go in. They're crazy. And I got my big case backhoe. She does the job. Got these big piles here you can see over at Mildred's place. I piled all that up. Huge amount of snow. We probably have about 20 inches total accumulation since the last, I don't know, week and a half, 2 weeks. So there's some really good sized piles there. Wow, it's freaking cold. It's taking my breath away. But yeah, this is really pretty to look at. Can't be out in it too long unless you got, you know, some nice heated clothes. But I wanted to get this down and documented. Woo, that is cold, baby. Ow. Here. All that snow piled up. Frig's sakes. Oh yeah. This field is just, it is gorgeous out here. I want to get some stills and keep this. Look at that. About 1,500 acres of snowy, wind-driven bliss right there, baby. But I haven't seen cold around here like this since I don't remember the wind chill being this cold out here. I haven't seen this type of cold since I lived in Canada. But it's wild, it's crazy, it's really pretty to look at. But you better be ready for it. You better have your gear on if you go out, folks, and make sure you have plenty of supplies. Make sure you have some type of a heater that you can use to heat your house without power, or at least to heat a couple of the rooms in the house. And fortunately for me, out here, it's one of the first things I did was prepare for everything. I got 3 four-wheel drives. I got the backhoe. I got the Gravely with the snow blower implements, and I have the propane wall heaters, which whatever the temperature is outside, they'll run the house up to 90 to 100 degrees, and they take 0 electricity to operate. Other than that, we just use the furnace, but we're all set. Beautiful outside. I love the winter. I love the snow. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. And I could probably do with just a little bit warmer weather. But hey, if it's going to be winter, let's have the snow. Bring her on. See ya!